Hello, my friends. Now let's take a look at what's happening below. This is the Earth, and you see flashes of light. Those are lightning flashes from a terrible thunderstorm that's occurring 300 miles below the Discovery. You see going from top left to bottom right, that's the curvature of the Earth's horizon. Above it, you can see some stars. That's outer space. All right, now at 1 minute 31 seconds, you're going to see 4 main events, which should stun you into some action. Okay, and we can talk about that another time. But first, let me explain to you that those lights in the middle, upper left actually, are city lights. Okay, and you see some other things. Occasionally you see some mild little floating things. Those are ice particles, etc. NASA continues to insist that what you will see is not really what you see. It's really ice particles which change direction and travel up to, as Williamson Labs calculated, 340,000 kilometers per hour. And they change direction. Okay, now 1 minute 31 seconds, you're going to see from the middle section of the screen going over to the left, the UFO coming out of the atmosphere, stopping. You'll see a flash of light. It then zooms off, changing direction at a 45-degree angle, reverse angle, going out into outer space. Now, on the right side, a few seconds later, you're going to see another ET spacecraft coming above the horizon. And that one is also shot at. The first one will be shot at with some kind of pulse beam weapon. Now, here it comes. It just popped out. You see it? There it is. Moving from right to left at 87,000 kilometers per hour. It's going to stop and zoom out. You'll see 2 flashes of light as we try to shoot it down or disable it. There it goes. Shoot 1, shoot 2. See it? Other one's taking a little more time, and it's trying to get the craft over on the right-hand side as it zooms out into outer space at a different angle. Okay, now, the people down in NASA and Houston, etc., wherever, are obviously very concerned that you, the public, are becoming aware of what is going on about ET visitations. So what they're going to do is they're going to try to pan the camera down so you don't see anything more. They're going to pan the camera down at 2 minutes and 39 seconds. They're going to commence that with Houston talking directly to Discovery, who will respond. They will begin with supposedly a water dump maneuver. But
Discovery Houston for JO.
They will respond.
Yeah, Jan, go ahead.
Morning, JO. We predict the maneuver to the supply water dump attitude will take about 15 minutes, and in order to start the dump on time, we'd like for you to do that maneuver now. We need it to prevent contamination.
There it goes. They're rotating the camera now.
Okay, I understand you want us to start the supply water dump now, or at least initiate the maneuver now.
We'd like for you to initiate the maneuver, and then when you get there, initiate the water dump.
She says, you want us to initiate the maneuver, but he's already initiating it. All right, now you see these are, you can see some ice particles going right by. They don't change direction. They don't go up to 340,000 kilometers per hour. This is a blatant lie right to our face, and it should upset you, should make you mad as all get out. And do something about it. Okay, here's the top part of the space shuttle. You see it now, and it's going to rotate to the right. Okay, they do not want you to see what's happening over on the horizon side. This verifies that it is the shuttle. NASA has never denied, of course, that it is a video from the space shuttle, but they deny what you can see with your eyes. Common sense tells you you saw what you saw, which is 2 craft moving away from Earth, changing direction, increasing speed, zooming away, and us trying to shoot it down or to disable it. Okay, there's the payload section right there. Okay, now they've accomplished what they want to accomplish, and that is to remove you from the information input of what's happening in outer space. There are many such videos. This, to me, is the most astonishing. Why? Because you not only see the UFOs come in from the lower atmosphere above and then zoom out into outer space, but you see us trying to shoot at it. Why are we shooting at it? We need to know that. We need to demand those answers from our government. This is our government. We are the people. It is our right to know. We put them into power, and then they have the arrogance to tell us that we are not entitled to what we pay them to give us, the information, the shuttle video cameras, the contactee information, all that vital data that they're just withholding from us. Why? Because they don't think we can handle it. Well, surely we can. Okay, the camera's rotating further away. You see any water coming out? I don't. The water dump was obviously a ruse to give an excuse to get it away from you seeing what was occurring. It's rather interesting to see what's going on here, but remember what you just saw. An ET event that I haven't seen anywhere else. And it has never been denied by NASA. Never. And they've